In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host an experience on Airbnb, 5 minutes. If you've ever wanted to share a unique skill or local activity with travelers, hosting an Airbnb experience is a great way to do it. Let's walk through the process together so you know exactly where to start and what to expect. First, go to Airbnb's website and log into your account. Make sure you're using the account you want to host from and that your profile details are up to date. A complete profile helps build trust with potential guests. Once you're signed in, look for the More Options menu in the top navigation. Depending on your device, this might appear as a three-dot icon or an additional menu heading. Open that menu and select Help Center. This is where Airbnb keeps the most current guidance for experienced hosts. Inside the Help Center, use the search bar and type Host Experience. You'll see resources tailored for people who want to start hosting. Click the section that's specifically for experienced hosts. This area explains what qualifies as an experience, quality standards, and what guests typically look for. Next, find and select the option that says Sign up to host an Airbnb experience. This takes you into the onboarding flow. Here, you'll be prompted to create an experience listing. You'll choose a category, set where it takes place, and outline what guests will do from start to finish. As you create your listing, focus on clarity and value. Write a straightforward description that explains what makes your experience special, how long it lasts, what's included, and what guests should bring. Add high-quality photos that show the activity, the setting, and any materials they'll use. Set a group size that you can comfortably manage and price it based on the time, materials, and the uniqueness of what you're offering. Continue following the steps provided by Airbnb. The platform will guide you through scheduling, availability, and any verification or safety information that may be required in your area. Pay close attention to guidelines on guest safety and local regulations. If something isn't clear, return to the Help Center articles for detailed standards and best practices. When everything looks good, submit your listing for review. Once approved, your experience will go live, and you can start accepting bookings. Keep refining based on guest feedback, update your photos and description as needed, and maintain a reliable schedule. That's it. Log in, head to the Help Center, search for hosting an experience, sign up, create your listing, and follow the guided steps. You're ready to share what you love with the world.